Hello students. So today we are going to solve a frame problem where one of the support is there is a settlement of support, and we are going to use slope deflection method. Okay. So let's see a question. So in this question we have been asked to calculate end moments and reactions due to settlement of support. Okay, so our frame is like this. So this is 6 meter and this length is also 6 meter, and the end A is fixed and end D is hinged. Here this is 30 kilonewton per meter load acting, and in this direction, lateral direction, there is a 100 kilonewton load acting. Okay, so this is 3 meter, this is 3 meter, and this is 6 meter. Okay, now here D support, it settles down by 20 millimeter, and EI is constant, whereas E is equal to, the data given is 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per millimeter square, and I value is given as 300 into 10 to the power 6 millimeter raised to 4. So EI in meter square, if we consider, so it is 60,000 kilonewton meter square when you multiply these two things. Okay, now let's calculate the step number 1, calculate fixed end moment. Okay, our step number 1, calculate fixed end moments. We have to properly write calculate fixed end moments. Okay, now just see MF of AC. Now there is only one point load is acting, that too in the middle of the span, so we can write minus WL by 8. So it is minus 100 into 6 by 8. So we get the answer as minus 75 kilonewton meter, right? And which is equal to, so when MF of AC is minus, so MF of CA will be the opposite sign. It is again same, it is WL by 8 is equal to 75 kilonewton meter. Okay, then let us calculate what is the MF of CD. So MF of CD is, it is because it's a UDL, it is WL square by 12, then minus 30 into 6 square by 12, so it is minus 90 kilonewton meter, and MF of DC is equal to WL square by 12, it is 90 kilonewton meter. Okay, now these are the fixed end moments. So we are done with the fixed end moments. Now next thing is to write down the equilibrium equations. Okay, so here we know that at joint C we can write the equations. Okay, so here step 2, we know that at this particular joint M of CA plus M of CD is equal to 0. M of CA plus M of CD is equal to 0. Okay, so we have this one equation and we have other equation, that is M of DC is equal to 0. Okay, so with this let us calculate what is M of CA, what is M of CD, and what is M of DC. Okay, so we are going to calculate all these things. So let's write the equations on the next page. So before that I'll just copy this diagram on the next page. Okay, now let us write down what are the equations. So M of CA is nothing but fixed end moment M of CA plus 2 EI by L, 2 theta C plus theta A plus or minus 3 delta by L, right? And now here we know that there is no settlement in the bar CA, member AC or CA. So here this part becomes this 2 and it is a fixed end. So this is 0 and this is also 0. So our equation, after simplification and addition of all values, we get it as 75 plus 2EI by 6, 2 theta C plus 0. These all terms are 0, right? 0 plus 0. So we get final equation as M of CA is equal to 75 plus 2EI by, this is 6 and this is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are, by 3 theta C. Now substitute value of EI, we have the value. So 75 plus 2/3 of EI is 60,000. Okay, so then it will become, when you cancel this 3 and 6, so you will get 40,000 theta C. This is our one equation. Okay, so M of CA we got. Now we know that there is a settlement at support D. It is ACD. Okay, let us call it as D. Yeah. Now member CD. Let's see member CD. So this is member C and the member D, it is having a settlement of 20 millimeter. This is 20 millimeter. Okay. So then this is equal to delta D. Okay. Now if this D, it settles down. Okay. It settles down here. So there will be some fixed end moment developed in anti-clockwise direction. So because it is settling it down, so it will create a moment here like this, right? So it will be creating a moment in anti-clockwise direction. Now let us write down the, so we will add the value of settlement here in the equation. So let's write down the equation for M of CD. So M of CD is equal to fixed end moment MF of CD plus 2EI by L. So this L and this L is same. Better I'll write a capital L. I mean it is the span of that particular member. Okay, length of the particular member. So 2EI by L, 2 theta C plus theta D minus 3 delta by L. Now delta in this case it is 20 millimeter. Okay, all other dimensions are in meter, so we can convert it into meter. Delta is equal to 0.02 meter. Okay, so M of CD we can write it as minus 90 plus 2 into EI by L. So 2 into, this is 60,000 divided by this is 6. Then again 2 theta C plus theta D minus 3 into 0.02, right? Delta is 0.02 by 6. So we get, with this we get, when you simplify it, we get the equation as 90 minus 90 plus 20,000 2 theta C plus theta D minus 0.01. Okay. So this is our equation of CD. Sorry, not DC. This is equation of CD. So with this we can write MF of DC is equal to 90 plus 20,000 2 theta D plus theta C minus 0.01. Now let us consider the equilibrium of support C. Okay, let us consider equilibrium of support C. So it is M of CA plus M of CD is equal to 0. Okay, M of CA plus M of CD is equal to 0. Now substitute all the values here. So what is M of CA? Is this. So let me write it, 75 plus 40,000 theta C plus MF of DC, M of DC 90 plus 20,000 2 theta D plus theta C minus 0.01. Okay, so when we simplify it, we get the answer as 80,000. This is 2 theta C plus theta D. Then it becomes 40,000 plus 40,000. Okay, 80,000 theta C plus 20,000 theta D is equal to 215. Please do the calculation and check if this equation is correct. Okay, as per my calculation, I got this equation. Then let us write down the second equation. So we have written this equation by considering this, and then there is one more relation we have to consider, that m of dc is equal to 0. Okay, so now let us consider this equation. So we have done with the first equation, or now write down m of dc is equal to 0. So with that we get 90 plus 20,000 into 2 theta d plus theta c minus 0.01 equal to 0. So when you simplify, you get it as 20,000 theta c plus 40,000 theta d is equal to 110. Okay, this is our second equation. Now use your calculator and solve this simultaneous equation. When you solve this simultaneous equation, we get the answer as theta c is equal to 2.28 into 10 to the power of minus 3 radians, and theta d is equal to 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 radians. Okay, so once you get the slope values, then substitute them back and find the final end moments. So what are the final end moments? That is m of AC. M of AC is equal to, our equation is 2ei by L 2 theta A plus theta C minus, there is no sinking, right? So 0. So in this, 2 into 60,000 divided by 6, and even theta A is 0. So theta C value, simply add that. So it is 2.28 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So our answer is minus 45.6 kilonewton meter. Okay, and this is our answer. So for m of, now this is m of AC. Now let's see m of CA. It will be 75 plus 40,000 theta C. So 75 plus 40,000 into theta C is 2.28 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So we get the answer as 166.2 kilonewton meter. Okay, so we have also done with m of CA. And we have done with m of AC. So two moments are done. Now let us calculate m of CD. So m of CD equation, already we have minus 90 plus 20,000. So 2 into theta C, that is 2.28 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 1.60 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 0.01. So our answer is minus 166.8 kilonewton meter. Then m of DC is 90 plus 20,000, 2 into theta D 1.60 minus 3 plus 2 point m of DC means we are just substituting our values in this equation. Okay, so we are adding the theta D, theta C value. So 90 plus 20,000, 2 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 3, then 2.28 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 0.01. Okay, so when you do this calculation, it is 0 because it is a roller support there, right? And the roller support will not carry any moment. So our answer is matching here. Our solution is correct. Okay, so students, hope you have understood the problem of frame where with the case of settlement of support. So thanks for listening.